G'day everyone, and welcome to another walk through the heart of Sydney. Today we're starting at the Leafy Wynyard Park, right above one of the city's busiest transport hubs. It's a beautiful spot to kick things off before we head south down York Street toward Town Hall. As we start walking, keep an eye out for the iconic AWA building over on our right. You can't miss it with that massive radio tower on top. For the movie buffs out there, this is a legendary piece of cinema history. It featured in The Matrix as the building the helicopter crashes into during the rescue scene. And also, just a bit further down on the right, we have the Grace Building. It's a stunning piece of architecture inspired by the Tribune Tower in Chicago, and it actually served as General Douglas MacArthur's headquarters during World War II. Keep a lookout for some of the other amazing architecture along this street too. If anyone watching has some cool facts about these buildings, or maybe a recommendation for one of the restaurants we're passing, please jump into the comments and share. I'd love to hear your stories. When we reach Market Street, I'm going to cross over to the right side of the road. It's the best spot to really capture the scale of the magnificent Queen Victoria building, or the QVB. It takes up this entire city block with its massive copper domes and intricate stained glass. Before we get too far, if you enjoy these relaxed city strolls, do me a huge favour and hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these walks coming. So lean back, enjoy the city sounds, and let's take a stroll down York Street.
Flower shop on 2nd Street, smelling earthy, wild and sweet, greeting everyone I meet, moving to a steady beat. Yellow taxis passing by, underneath the cotton sky. I don't need a reason why, I just wanna give it a try. Me and the city light, everything is feeling right, taking it all in tonight, walking till the stars are bright. Step by step we go, nice and slow, watch the river flow, feelings grow. Ooh, let the rhythm play, ooh, drifting on my way. Ooh, it's a golden day, ooh, I need to stay. No need to rush away, watching the morning sun, knowing the day's begun, having a little fun, kind of everyone. Now the race is won. Old man in a gray coat, reading what a poet wrote, singing out a quiet note, drifting like a little boat. Me in the city light, everything is feeling right, taking it all in tonight, walking till the stars are bright. Step by step we go, nice and slow, watch the river flow, feelings grow. Walking home, never alone, in the zone, heart is home. Morning light in the street, waking up the concrete, quiet steps on the beat, making the day complete. Yellow lines on the road, lighting up the heavy load. Slowing down, finding our place in the city's embrace, just a smile on your face. We've got all to want this way, all day this way. Golden and gray will be okay. coffee steam in the air, gentle wind in your hair. Nothing else can compare to the secrets we share. Brick walls and green vines, reading the old street signs. The world is turning fast, but we are built to last. Shadows grow long and thin. Where does the dream begin? Slow down the pace, finding our place in the city's embrace. Just a smile on your face. We've got our day to wander this way. No need for a map or a plan. Hold on as tight as you can. The river flows under the bridge, following every soft ridge. The shaker starts to hum, waiting for night to come. Windows reflect the gold, stories yet to be told. Never feeling the cold, with a hand left to hold. Simple and sweet, music beneath our feet. Slow down the pace, finding our place in the city's embrace. Just a smile on your face. We've got all day to wander this way, all day this way. Golden and blue will be okay. Slow down the pace, finding our place in the city's embrace. Just a smile on your face. We've got all day to wander this way. Tune the third string down, far above the town. Fingertips are running since the early morning. Fire burns out without any doubt. in the city where everything is feeling right. Taking it all in tonight. Walking to the stars alright. Step by step, nice and slow. Watch the flowers shop on the second street. Wild and sweet. Taxis passing by underneath the cotton sky. I don't need a reason why. I just wanna give it a try. Me in the city light, everything is feeling right. Taking it all in tonight. Walking to the stars all bright. Step by step we go, nice and slow. Watch the river flow. Let the feelings grow. Let the rhythm play. Drifting on my way. It's a golden day. I am here to stay. No need to rush home. Watching the morning sun, knowing the day's begun. Having a little fun to everyone. Now the race is on. A man in a gray coat, reading what a poet wrote, singing out a quiet note, drifting like a little boat. Me in the city light, everything is feeling right. Taking it all in tonight. Walking to the stars all bright. Step by step we go, nice and slow. Watch the river flow. Feelings grow. Walking home, never alone. In the zone, heart is home. Morning light on the street, waking up the concrete. Quiet steps on the road, making a difference. Yellow lights on the road, lighting up the heaven. Slow down the pace, finding our place in the city's embrace. Just a smile on your face. We've got all day to wander this way. All day this way, golden and gray will be okay. Coffee steam in the air, gentle wind in your hair. Nothing else can compare to the secrets we share. Brick walls and green vines, reading the old street signs. The world is turning fast, but we are built to last. Shadows grow long and thin. Where does the dream begin? Slow down the pace, finding our place in the city's embrace. Just a smile on your face. We've got all day to wander this way. No need for a map or a plan. Hold on as tight as you can. The river flows under the bridge, following every soft ridge. The shaker starts to hum, waiting for night to come. Windows reflect the gold, stories yet to be told. Never feeling cold, with a hand left. Simple and sweet music beneath my feet. Slow down the pace, finding our place in the city's embrace. Just a smile on your face. We've got all day to wander this way. All day this way.
As we approach the end of the block, if you've enjoyed this stroll through Sydney, please do me a huge favour and hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss our next walk. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you have a favourite building on York Street? I honestly really recommend this walk if you love architecture. It's much quieter through here than Pitt Street or Martin Place, and it's got a great vibe without feeling too high-end or high class. Just a solid, interesting part of the city to explore. We've made it to the end of York Street, and I wanted to finish here just so we could look back at this incredible view of the QVB. It really gives you a sense of why this is such a world-famous landmark. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next walk. Take care.